filters for light commercial vehicles, trucks and heavy industrial, mining and agricultural machinery, where specifications call for tough protective filtration. Ryco's commitment to quality is demonstrated by its recognition as an original equipment supplier to leading international automotive manufacturers. GUD Manufacturing is also committed to the ISO 9000 series quality accreditation and is a recipient of the prestigious Ford Q1 award. This quality commitment is reflected in the production of Ryco products at its manufacturing plants at Sunshine, Melbourne and at Avondale, Auckland. Ryco recognises its employees are its most important resource, and the formation of work teams with meaningful responsibility for production quality has been rewarded by improved productivity. 90% of all Ryco components are supplied from these production lines, where modern high-speed presses begin the cycle which will result in premier quality fuel, oil and air filters. Robotic controlled systems provide cost-effective manufacture. For example, of these pressure relief valves for Ryco oil filters. On this integrated air filter production line, high-quality filter media is slipped to size and then pleated by specialist machines, maximising the working surface of the filter medium. Seals are formed and then oven cured as finished product. On the oil filter line, conveyors deliver components to the automatic gasket machine, and assembly is completed through automatic spray painting, printing and finally packaging. Major warehouse facilities on site store product for distribution throughout the Asia, Pacific, European and US export markets. While at key plant locations, quality control centres ensure at all times the delivery of the highest standards demanded by Ryco customers. Productivity is further enhanced by Ryco's in-house tooling facilities, where new equipment is developed and maintained to the finest specifications, guaranteeing there is no question when it comes to Ryco quality. Ongoing research and development is built into every Ryco product. At GUD's modern laboratories, latest computer-aided design technology and exhaustive product testing underpin a commitment to quality and market leadership, placing GUD at the leading edge of technology. While quality is the key to performance, Ryco is also the most accessible filter in its major markets in Australia and New Zealand. Ryco's wholesale distribution network services the automotive industry in every capital city and the most remote regional centres in all its key markets. And an established retail and reseller distribution system services the high-volume do-it-yourself market. GUD, taking on the world through Ryco. Premier filters for the automotive industry.